Well, good morning. I'm here to work on my 100-day project. I'm on day 69, which is really awesome. I have found that my image box is getting filled up with a bunch of little scrappy things. I don't like that. I'm going to have to sit down and take the time to clean that out, but this project it's getting a little harder to do every day. I'm also getting tired of some of the images, and I think it's because I tend to go through just the top of the box. So I'm going to reach down to the bottom of the box and pull stuff out of the bottom and see if there isn't some things in there that might be more fun, and kind of just rearrange the box a little bit and see what I come up with that way. Well, I guess I need a coat of some sort. Let's see, here's a piece of paper. Anyways, so that is just one of the things. It just seems to be that my images are getting a little stale, I think, is what's happening. So I'm going to try changing them. So we'll figure that out. I hope you enjoy watching. Talk to you later. Well, I'm sorry I wiggled everything, guys. I didn't mean to make you seasick when I was bringing it in. It was interesting. I started to just make some scribbles up here, and all of a sudden they started to look like bricks or a wall pattern. And I thought it kind of mimicked the boring brick buildings, and so I thought I would just leave it sort of to make a little statement all by itself in that corner, which I kind of like. It's kind of interesting. Anyways, that is day 69. We're past the 2/3 mark, so we've got a third of the way left to go, really, and to be finished up. I'm going to read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity and go on with the day. If I create from the heart, nearly everything works. If from the head, almost nothing. Mark Cahill. Okay, guys. Go have fun, make some art. Bye-bye.